Alright guys, welcome to graphing a system of linear inequalities. We're going to start off the first one with graph the following linear inequalities. We have an I do, y is greater than negative 2x plus 3, y is greater than or equal to 3x minus 2. First step is to go ahead and graph the inequalities. Graph the inequalities. And then based on whether it has an equal sign underneath it or not, this will be a solid line. If it has no equal sign and it's just less than or greater than, this will be a dashed line. Solid dashed lines look like this. Alright, let's go ahead and let's graph the first equation, line 1. Here I'm going to start. I have y is greater than negative 2x plus 3. My y-intercept is at positive 3. So starting from 0, go 1, 2, 3. And then my slope is negative 2 over 1. That means negative 2 down, 1 right. So 2 down, 1 right, 2 down, 1 right, 2 down, 1 right, and so forth. So before you connect the lines, you need to see whether this will be a solid line or a dashed line. So looking right here, this has no equal sign. No equal signs means this will be a dashed line. That is dash. Line number 2, I'm going to go ahead and graph this. This starts at negative 2 on the y-axis. So here on the y-axis, 1, 2. So right there, my slope is going to be 3 over 1. It means 3 up, 1 right. So from here, 3 up, 1 right, 3 up, 1 right, 3 up, 1 right, 3 up, 1 right. And this line will be, it does have an equal sign, so that means it will be a solid line. And there you go, that's step 1, graph the inequalities. Step 2 will be to shade the inequalities. Inequalities. So if it is greater than or equal to, it's going to be above. If it's less than or equal to, it will be below. So let's look at our first line. Our first line is this one right here. This is a greater than sign. That means I'm going to shade above it. So shading above it will look like this. And then for the second line, this will also be greater than. That means I'm going to shade above this line. So above means it's going to look like this. Step 3 will be identify the area. The area of the solution. It means that this area right here, where it's both yellow and green, that's going to be the area of our solution. And now we need to check whether these points are part of the solution. So let's check the first one. 1, 6. So here's 1, here's 6. Is this in my area of solution? Let me scoot it down. 1, 6 right here. Is this in my area in this triangle? That will be a yes. How about 5, negative 2? So here's 5, negative 2. Nope, that is not in the area. 0, negative 4. That is obviously no. Negative 1, 5. Negative 1, 5 is right here. That is a yes. 2, positive 4. 2, positive 4 is right here. So if I drew the line more correctly, more accurately, this dot is actually right on the line. And this line, this is line number 2, it has an equal sign. So it's on the line with the equal sign, that means it will be yes. But if it was on this line, which has no equal sign and is dash, it will be a no. And last one is 0, 0, a solution. 0, 0 right here, this is not a solution. Alright, go ahead and try next one.